नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain from FPD Department, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's History. I am the Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now today's topic is antenatal care. Systemic supervision, examination and advice of a woman during pregnancy is called antenatal care. Aims to screen the high risk case, to prevent or to detect and treat at the earliest any complication, to ensure continuous continued risk assessment and to provide ongoing primary preventive health care, to educate the mother about the physiology of pregnancy and labor by demonstration, chart and diagram so that fear is removed and psychology is improved. To discuss the couple about the place, time and mode of delivery, provisionally and care of the newborn, to motivate the couple about the need of family planning and also appropriate advice to couple seeking medical termination of pregnancy. Objective: to ensure a normal pregnancy with delivery of a healthy baby from a healthy mother. Antenatal care comprise of registration of pregnancy, history tracking, antenatal examination, general and obstetrical, laboratory investigation, health education. The first visit, history taking, examination and investigation. History taking: particular of the patient, chief complaint with duration, past history, obstetric history, menstrual history, family history, drug history, history of immunization, socio-economic history, contraceptive history, history of allergy. NCV visit: identify NCV visit, first 28 week once a month, up to 36 weeks twice a month, day after weekly till delivered. Minimum 4 ANCV visit, first visit around 16 weeks, second visit between 24 and 28 weeks, third visit at 32 weeks and fourth visit at 36 weeks. Physical examination: pallor, pulse, respiratory rate, weight, edema, breast examination, blood pressure. Examination: pallor: examine palpable, conjunctive, nail, tongue, oral mucosa or palm. Pulse 60 to 90 per minute. Respiratory rate 80 to 20 breath per minute or edema. BP2 congestive reading: systolic 140 mmHg and diastolic 90 mmHg. Check urine for the presence of albumin, pre-SLS eclampsia, hypertension plus albuminuria, imminent aslamaphysia, DPT less greater than 110 mmHg, eclampsia, hypertension plus albuminuria plus convulsion. Regular weight monitoring at each visit. 11 kg weight again entire pregnancy. After first trimester weight gain 2 kg per month. Breast examination. Abnormal examination: measurement of fundal height, fetal heart sound, fetal movement. Abdominal examination: measurement of the fundal height, fetal heart sound, fetal movement, fetal parts, multiple pregnancy, fetal life and presentation, inspection of abdominal scar or any other relevant finding. Lab investigation: HP estimation, blood grouping, RH typing, urine, RME, VDRL, RBS, HSB, AG test, USG for pregnancy profile. Risk approach: elderly preemie 30 years and above, short startup preemie 140 centimeter and below, malpresentation, APH, threatened abortion, pre-eclampsia, eclampsia, risk approach, amnesia, twin hydration, stillbirth, elderly grant, multipairs, prolonged pregnancy, history of past instrumental delivery, treatment for identifying. In subsequent visit, patient complain, journal examination, gestational age to be calculated, identification of problem, fetal movement, FFH measurement, health education, prophylaxis and treatment of anemia, developing individualized birth plan. Second visit 24 to 28 week FSH measurement to detect multiple pregnancy. Third visit 32 weeks screen for preeclampsia, multiple pregnancy, anemia, IUGR. Fourth visit 36 week identification of fetal lie, presentation, position or birth plan. Antenatal advice, entire pregnancy 300 kcal calorie per day extra, lactation 600 calorie per day. Diet, supplementary iron therapy is needed for all pregnant mothers from 20 weeks onward. 30 mg of ferrous per day, 60 mg per day is given for large woman twin and those women who will book for ANC late in pregnancy. Anemic women should take 200 mg per day. Hygiene, daily bath is recommended as it stimulation, refreshing and relaxing. Avoid hot water bath. Bowel care, as there is increased chance of constipation. Regular bowel movement may be facilitated by regulation of diet, taking plenty of fluid or vegetable and milk. Breast care, wash the breast with clean tap water. Exercise, walk in moderation. Avoid lifting heavy things. Avoid long time standing. Avoid sitting with crossed legs as they may impact circulation. Dressing, tight cloth and belt are avoided. The patient should wear loose but comfortable dresses. High heels should are better avoided. Alcohol, smoking and drugs should be avoided as they may affect the fetal well-being. Rest and sleep, 8 hours sleep at night, at least 2 hours sleep after midday meal. Hard strenuous work should be avoided in first trimester and last 4 weeks. Coitus should be avoided in first trimester and last 6 weeks. Warning sign, headache, blurring of vision, convulsion, vaginal bleeding or fever. Thank you.